Langley, British Columbia, and we're heading to D.W. Poppy Secondary School for one of their biggest car shows. Hundreds of vehicles on display.
Come on and join us.
I watch the ocean as the sun goes down. The surf is up, and I hear that sound. A soundtrack for so many years. Keep the dream alive, don't shed those tears. They sang in Hawthorne neath the California sky. The Wilson family, they harmonized. No one knew back then music would change. So thank you, Brian. Things never been the same. I've heard that sound many times before. Played those records till the vinyl wore. Sang the highs till my throat got sore. California dreaming in my room once more. Surfside, nothing like it. Surfside, you gotta try it. Surfside, records playing. Surfside, you gotta listen, just saying. Surfer girl, she's in my room. All summer long, surfer moon. Warmth of the sun means fun, fun, fun. Run, run, and do run, run. I close my eyes and feel the summer breeze. Takes me back to those perfect memories. Those endless summers full of hopes and dreams. Still chasing harmony forever, it seems. We thank you, Brian, for his sweet refrain. Tears turn to joy when summer comes again. Surfer girl, she's in my room. All summer long, surfer moon. got the charm that steals your heart. Like nothing's been said. Like nothing's been said. Making other girls jealous. I can see it in their eyes. She's the one who takes the prize. It's crazy how she grew to shine. Never thought that she'd be mine. She's the one they love the most. Arms on the boardwalk where waves crash loud. She's walking with grace, standing out in the crowd. Sunny days framed by her glowing pose. With every step, my love for her grows. Like nothing's been said. Making other girls jealous. I can see it in their eyes. She's the one who takes the prize. She's the one they love the most. Arms on the boardwalk where waves crash loud. She's walking with grace.